at there, look, it's coming! Yeah! Wow, that was loud. All right, cool. Hi people, let me share with you something really cool. Probably some of you were wondering how those guys are having so many sales. Why? For example, my students, they have sales. Where are they coming from? Let me just give you a very straight secret right here, because it's like nice day. I like to give sometimes some nice stuff just for fun, okay? So, did you ever heard that on eBay there is not only right products, hot selling products, but there are also the hot selling categories? Did you know that? Yes, there is. I didn't thought about this until I get it to know from the eBay. So I have this 76, the list of 76 hot selling eBay categories. What it means, hot selling eBay categories, it basically means that you are listing on that category where is most traffic is. The most traffic. Oh, the next is coming, look there. Come on! Oh, that was loud again. Alright, so what does it mean, hot selling categories? Hot selling categories basically means that there is so much traffic, like those planes are coming here, okay? Woo! So many traffic, because there is a categories you can list, there is no people. Okay, so what's the point of listing items where there is no people? So because you know, if there is traffic, there will gonna be sales. If there is sales, there will gonna be money, right? So that's selling, we keep listing in those categories. Do you want to know what the categories are? Well, some of them I listed in, I put 27 of them. I put it in a winning product guide. You can find the link somewhere, I don't know, up there or down there. Around this video somewhere we're gonna be the winning product guide. So if you click on that link, you are gonna get 27 hot selling eBay categories. How cool is that? Oh, another one is coming, okay? This is the small one, but traffic is crazy here, you see? I like that. So 27 hot selling categories in a winning product guide. If you want all 78 of them, you have to go to the link is not here. You have to go to the $7.99. All right, and it's very simple to use. You just look at the category, because there is a full sentence with the long tail, like a keyword, like a categories go. Because if you take this one and put there, what you do is just copy paste into the Amazon and see what the product is there. Boom, take the Amazon's product, put in a eBay. That's how we roll, sale after sale after sale after sale. Guys, well, you can go two ways from here. You can just click the link up there or down there. I don't know where the link will be. Or you can keep struggling and thinking that why nobody is buying from me? Poor me. So guys, it's not about being smart. It's about just knowing things, right? Now you know what to do. Okay guys, take care, bye bye, see you soon.